This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting ready. Make sure the battery is above 20% and Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so downloads update promptly. Next, have your current lock method, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint on hand because you'll be asked to confirm it. Now open Settings, then tap Lock Screen and Password to begin changing the lock screen. This path takes you straight to the options you need. Once here, you can swap wallpapers, shortcuts, or alter the lock security. Once in Lock Screen and Password, choose what to change: wallpaper, clock style, shortcuts, or security type. Tap Wallpaper to pick from Gallery, Live Wallpapers, or Realme themes, pick and crop, then apply to lock screen. Make sure to set clock style and notification visibility to your preference. This affects what shows before unlocking. Also, rearrange shortcut buttons so the camera or phone is where you reach it fastest. These settings let you control both look and quick access. Now update the security method if you want stronger protection. Tap Screen Lock Type and pick None, swipe, pattern, PIN, password, or enable fingerprint. You'll be prompted to confirm your existing lock. Once confirmed, enter a new PIN or draw a pattern and enroll fingerprints if chosen. After saving, test by locking and waking the device. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, check for system updates, and, if necessary, reset lock screen settings. This usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.